This is a Sputnik 8 light system. Check online for further details about your product. It can be hung on a chateau in any angle. And what we're going to show you is how simple this is to build. We have a Sputnik, 6 or 8 lights, your choice of color, black, gold. Check online for further detail, further about the product. In here in the box, we're showing you how nicely it's packaged. Taking everything out of the box, we have an instruction guide to set up and follow. This is the gold covered in plastic, your hardware, so it doesn't get lost. Also well protected, your gold arms, sockets, wiring, covered with additional foam. In order to remove the plastic and the foam, simply pull from the foam, slide off, and gently curl with your finger to rip off. In the additional package will be your rods to adjust the height required. One of the bars has a swivel gimbal, and this will allow you to hang on a wall, a chateau, at angled ceiling. With your AC in the off position and the correct box, you're going to take the supplied bolt, run it up. With the light fixture and bar on, you're going to slide the cable in and screw on. Repeat for the other 7. This is what the unit looks completed. It will spin. In the next step or 2, you're going to take an Allen key to the keyhole and tighten up. In this step, we take the load and neutral, do our best to snake through. I'm bending the leads, tucking them in, with the threaded bar facing to the ceiling. I slide through, carefully not to fall back. Then we're going to take the lead, slide the bar all the way down to the thread, and start to screw. In this demonstration, we're doing 2 bars only for the height, and the last bar is going to be the gimbal pivot, making sure the pivot's straight and the lead coming through the very top. And lock down. Remove the ground, the nut, and the star lock washer. With the gold cap correctly put on, slide the leads through, the ground, the lock washer, the nut. Lock down. Slip the leads through the center hole. Take the gold bell nuts off. With your load and neutral, hook up. And hook your ground to this particular area with the bolt. Raise and adjust to the bolts stick out through the cover. And lock down each one. With the Allen key and grub bolt, place in and lock down. The choice is yours to put the grub on either side of the unit. Bulbs are not included. Please put in up to the rated 60 watt maximum. With a wall switch, dimmer switch, remote switch, smart Alex app optional, you could turn your lights on and you have a Sputnik light to your liking, showing you the light at a dim of 25% or less, give you an idea of the unit well lit. All lights are off, lights are increased to the maximum. If you have a ceiling that is angled, do not worry. You can angle it as much as you want and hang it to the maximum height allowed. You can choose the height you want, 12, 24, 36 plus. You get everything to do the job except the bulbs. If you are looking for a Sputnik, gold, black, check online for further details about your product and what they have to offer. I hope you enjoy this product. If this is something that you are looking for in a light. Thank you for viewing.